The Immortal Jackie Gleason did it all. He could act, sing, dance. He could compose and conduct his own music, produced, directed, and starred in his own variety show. He is probably best known for the numerous characters he created over the course of his career. Characters like Buford T Justice from Smokey and the Bandit, Minnesota Fats from The Hustler, for which he was nominated for an Academy Award, and the numerous characters he played on his weekly variety show. Characters like Joe the Bartender, The Poor Soul, Reginald Van Gleason III, and of course, his most famous character, Ralph Kramden from the Honeymooners. Gleason spun off the characters from the Honeymooners into their own 30-minute sitcom. With only 39 episodes produced, the show has been continuously broadcast for over 60 years. When Jackie decided he wanted to play golf year-round, he persuaded CBS to let him film The Jackie Gleason Show in Miami Beach. The Miami Beach Auditorium, later to be known as the Jackie Gleason Theater, would be converted into one of the largest television studios in the world, with thousands vying for tickets each week. Jackie passed away at his Florida home on June 24, 1987. He was just 71 years old. He's laid to rest at Our Lady of Mercy Catholic Cemetery in Doral, Florida. Designed personally by Jackie's wife Marilyn, the Georgia white marble used for the mausoleum was discovered during a winter golf trip just before Jackie passed in 1987. Visitors to the site traditionally leave red carnations to honor the legendary man. 6 steps and columns on each side support the open-air gazebo, while the top of the crypt resembles a Victorian chaise lounge. It was designed in such a way that even in death, Jackie would always remain on the stage. Halfway up the stairs, Jackie's famous catchphrase, "And away we go," is inscribed. It was Orson Welles who first called Jackie Gleason the Great One, and to this day the nickname is still accurate. How sweet it is.